Hey y'all, welcome to Fix a Hollet #1. Today we're gonna be installing windshield wipers on this uh 2013 Honda Accord. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over and get y'all and bring y'all in here out the cold and show y'all what to do. Okay, y'all, right here's my new wipers. I done took them out the box already. And what you want to do, these are quality OEM quality wiper blades, and that's the ones I got. What you want to do is remove this green strip. I'm just going to remove it off both of them, and this is the passenger side for this Honda Accord. This one right here is for the driver's side, and it requires for this Honda 2013 Honda Accord. This side is 26 inches. This is for the driver's side. And this right here is for the passenger side, and it's 19 inches. That's for the passenger side. So let's turn y'all around here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. Let's take y'all off the tripod just a minute. I want y'all to get a closer look at this. All right, this right here. Flip your wiper back. And can you see this little pin? It's not a pin, it's like a little piece of metal. It goes in. You push that in. Now I'm gonna have to have two hands to do this, so I'm gonna put y'all back on the tripod a minute. But first thing you want to do is push that in, just like you see me doing right here. This little clip, it's right under the bottom of your windshield wiper arm. This is your windshield wiper arm. It comes up, and right under the bottom is a little pin on this type of wiper. You mash that pin in. Okay, let me put y'all back on the tripod just a minute. All right, when you mash that in, it's a little trying to be stubborn, but mash that in. And when you mash it in, let me bring y'all back over here once again. I done mashed it in and it done release, so you just pull it down. Pull this down. And that's off. See that little hook? That little hook, you want it to go right in here. See how that looks sort of round like? That wiper? It looks sort of round. Push that up. And you want this hook to go right down in there. Just like that. See how it went down in there? And push up like, and pull this down and click it. And that one's on. Okay? Now let's go around here to the driver's side. The passenger side. Bear with me. Let me get y'all set up over here. Let me go back and get the wiper. Bear with me. Uh-oh. This one here is just a little bit different. This one here, you see this clip right here? Pull this up. And you got to raise the windshield wiper up. Spin it just a little bit. And push down. Push down toward the wind. Push it down toward the windshield. Again, I'm going to show you again. This clip. See that clip? Right here. pop that up. Raise your windshield wiper up and push it down toward the windshield. Push it down and pull it off. Okay? Your new wiper, the kind I got. See that clip there? Pull it up. Like that. It'll look like this when you pull it up. See how it looks? I'm trying to do this with one hand, so y'all bear with me. Same thing as over there. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Y'all bear with me. Okay, I believe I got it now. See how that hook? Let it go right down in there. And pull back. Pull back towards you. And twist it up like that. See how I've twisted it up? You got to do it like this or it won't lock. Let's show you again. Pull it up like this. And it comes out. It's out. Push it back down and click it. And it locks in. Okay, that's it. Let's go back around here. And that's how you, and let's put y'all back on the tripod just a minute. All right, and that's how you install windshield wipers on the 2013 Honda Accord. That's going to be it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And watch my next video. If you have any questions, hit me in a comment below and I'll get back to you. Thank you. God bless you. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos. I'm going to be putting stuff together. If you got anything you need to ask me about putting something together, hit me up in the comment below and I'll get back with you. If I can help you, I will. Thank you. God bless you. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.